Falcons EdTech Tutorials. On this episode, OneDrive Organization Tips. The sweet smell of spring is in the air. Birds are chirping, the snow is melting, summer is just around the corner.
Alright, hold up. Yeah, spring is great, but it also brings with it those two dreaded words, spring cleaning. You know it. It's when your parents tell you we're going to completely muck out this room, clean it from top to bottom, and it's just not fun. But it does leave you feeling more organized. And I'm going to show you today how you can use those same strategies and techniques you use for spring cleaning a physical room to spring clean your digital space, your OneDrive. And cleaning up your OneDrive is going to lead you to being more productive and more efficient when it comes to handing in your assignments. So all that and more today on this episode of Falcons EdTech Tutorials.
In this video, I'm going to show you a few ways to organize your OneDrive so that you will find your schoolwork more easily and be able to turn in those assignments in an organized way. You can access your OneDrive by opening a new tab and searching for Office 365 in the address bar. Or, if you have signed in to your Google Chrome browser and added it as a favorite, you can simply click on the link in your Favorites toolbar. Your landing page for Office 365 will show you the most recent files you have been working on, along with anything anyone has shared with you. Click on the cloud icon from the list on the left side of your web page. This will take you to your OneDrive. OneDrive is a cloud-based storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox, and as long as you are a student with the WQSB, you will have access to all of this storage for free. Remember, this is your student account, not your personal account. Anything you store here can be viewed and accessed by the WQSB. The first step in organizing your OneDrive is to create folders for each of the subjects you are taking and a folder for personal files. You can also create a folder for miscellaneous files, in which you can place any items that don't fit anywhere else. The next step is to drag and drop files into the appropriate folder. It's a good idea to name or rename any files that might not be identified correctly. Nicely done. Now that you've organized your OneDrive, your next step is to download the OneDrive app onto your smartphone. This way, you can upload files from your phone directly to your OneDrive. This is incredibly helpful when using your phone to take photos or scans of your work. Here's how to use OneDrive to scan and upload a printed document. Open the OneDrive app, tap the camera icon in the bottom tray. This will bring up the document scanner app that's built into the OneDrive app. Position the camera over your document and wait for the AI to recognize the outlines of this document. Take the scan by tapping the circle at the bottom of the screen. Now you can edit the scan if you'd like by adding text or drawings. Rename the file. Using the name of the assignment or document is the most precise way to do this. Tap the Files button to access your OneDrive folders, choose the folder you wish to save the document to, and then tap Save Here. Now that this file is on your OneDrive, you can easily attach it to your assignments and teams by selecting OneDrive as your file source. As an added bonus, it will keep the file in your OneDrive so you don't have to worry about deleting it accidentally from your computer or phone. Sharing your file through OneDrive also allows your teacher to edit or grade this document more easily. Going forward, maintaining an organized OneDrive will definitely help you to stay organized and productive during the final stretch of the school year.
Alright, Hadley and Philemon, that was another episode of Falcons EdTech Tutorials. As always, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, send them to Mr. LaChance. If you have any compliments, send them to me, Mr. Wada. On Teams, of course, we'd love to hear your ideas and suggestions for future videos. Please check out our YouTube channel if you'd like to see other videos that might help you learn more ways of becoming cool and awesome in the digital world. And as always, have a great day, Hadley and Philemon.